Well, failed again. This same gasket that was displaced itself again, a second time. And on careful examination, that gasket is not 100% right. It's almost half a hole out. So when you squeeze it together for the bolts to line up, I guess it forces this top piece down inside. And anyway, I'll look and see if I have anything better in the inventory. Other than that, I will have to try and make one. Unfortunate, because this was a new gasket. I don't know what it's for. It's supposed to be for the 8BA flathead, but it's definitely not a 100% fit. Anyway, off we go to the attic. Okay, it's crude, but I think it'll work better than what I had in there. It's an old grain sample envelope from good sturdy brown paper. If I can do a decent job of cutting with this extremely sharp and dangerous knife, we should be good to go. But stay tuned for the next exciting test. Okay, there we go. It's maybe not up to Felpro or Mr. Gasket standards, but it's good enough if it seals up. And if I don't run out of daylight here, I'm going to give it a test. Okay. Oh, this greasy antifreeze all over my hands. Well, I think finally I might have some degree of success. I'm not 100% sure on that hose clamp, but the homemade gasket looks pretty good. New lower hose looks good on this side. Antifreeze level's good now. No leakage on the top clamp. This side just... yeah, we got a hose clamp problem here. Fast idle cam needs a little setting. Yeah. I should have replaced that old hose clamp. Not that it isn't tight.